2.2, page number 206, question number 1. A park in the shape of quadrilateral ABCD has root angle C is equal to 90 degree, AB is equal to 9 meter, BC is equal to 12 meter, CD is equal to 5 meter and AD is equal to 8 meter as shown in the figure, this one. How much area does it occupy? So we have to find the area of the quadrilateral. Now I have joined BD. So this one is the BD. Now they are the two triangles. The first triangle we have the triangle DBC. DBC. Now in this one C is the right angle. So this is the right angle triangle. Now comes to the second one. The second triangle we have ABD. ABD. This one. Now we have to find now two of the sides of both the triangles we are having. We have to find this one. So we are going to find this one with the Pythagoras in the triangle DBC. So I am going to apply here the Pythagoras theorem. DB square is equal to BC square plus CD square. This is the hypotenuse square is equal to, this is the perpendicular square plus base square. Now DB square is equal to BC we have 12 square plus CD we are having 5 square. Now DB square is equal to 144 plus 5 5s are 25. Now DB square is equal to 169. Now DB is equal to root 169. This square, when we transpose this one from the left hand side to the right hand side, this will become root. Now DB is equal to 13 multiplied by 13. Then they will come out. Now they are the pair. So 13 centimeter is the DB we are having. Now in the triangle DBC we have to find the area. So area of triangle DBC is equal to half into base into height. Now half into base we are having as 5 and 12 is the height. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 6 5s are 30 centimeter. This one is in the meter. So 30 meter square is the area of the triangle DBC. Now comes to the another triangle, the triangle ABD. This one ABD. Now we are going to find the area of this one by the Heron's formula. So we are going to find the area with the Heron's formula. So the area of triangle we have root S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Now for the formula we will find out the value of S. So S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Now A we are having as 8 plus B we have 9 and the C is the DB we are having. This one we have 13 centimeter. This one divided by 2. So the value of S we have 15 meter. Now we'll put this one in the formula. So 15 minus 8, 15 minus 9, this one and 15 minus 13, this one. Now 15 multiplied by 15 minus 8 we have 7, multiplied by 15 minus 9 we have 6, multiplied by 15 minus 13 we have 2. Now this is the value we are having. Now we are going to solve the brackets. So we have the value 1260. This is the value of the root. Root 1260 meter square. Now we are going to solve this one. So we'll get the value as 35.5 meter square approx. So this is the area of the triangle ABD. Now we have to find the area of the quadrilateral. So we are going to write here area of quadrilateral is equal to the area of triangle. The first one we have DBC plus area of triangle. The second one we have ABD. So the area of triangle DBC we have 30 meter square plus this one is 35.5 meter square. So this one will be 65.5 meter square. So this is the area of the quadrilateral. With this one we have completed the question number 1. In the next video we are going to start with the question number